Hello viewers, in this video I will tell you how to find top 10 cheap web hostings companies of 2022. In this video we will learn how we can find cheap hosting companies of 2022. Here is the list of cheapest web hostings. The companies who are providing cheapest web hosting are listed below. The first in our list is Dreamhost. This is an official company which is offering cheapest web hosting, whose name is Dreamhost, flexible and affordable hosting solutions to ensure your success. 36 reviews, free domain name, 100% uptime guarantee, 24/7 support. Here is an option for $2.59 per month, and you can try it now. The websites are offering cheapest web hosting. After that, we will move on to our next web hosting provider company, whose name is um, Bluehost. So Bluehost is another company which is offering cheapest web hosting. Uh, we will not talk about US or Australia because most of my viewers are from Australia. So you can find cheapest web hostings by searching them on Google. You just have to go to your browser, no matter which browser you are using. You can use any browser you want, like Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Safari, your browser, and etc etc. So after that, you just have to click in the search bar and type there about how to find cheapest web hosting. After that, you can find my blog or another blog which can help you out to find many cheap web hostings like I am showing in this video. IONOS is another company which is offering cheapest web hosting, free domain and SSL certificate, 99.9% uptime, scalable performance management from $1 per month. Try it now. Hostinger is another website which is offering cheapest web hosting. Hostinger.com, scalable and cost friendly hosting solutions for fast websites. 66 reviews, free templates and builder, high speed performance, 30-day money back guarantee, and from $1.39 per month. So after that, we jump into our next website. Before that, I'll suggest you to please subscribe my channel and never forget to press the bell icon so that you never miss any further update from my channel. Like I'm going to upload many of the videos, how to find something, how to do something, how to do something, how to. My channel's main niche is about how to. So you can find many sorry, I spoke any, but you can find many helpful videos from my channel. So I will highly recommend you to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get updates of my future videos. So jump into our next website, which is GoDaddy. You all know, sorry, we all know that GoDaddy is very popular website over the time and over the few years, I will say, because many of the years have passed away. The GoDaddy's performance, and we can also say GoDaddy is providing much more efficiency with the web hosting and domains that many of the users will never ever leave GoDaddy because of its quite handsome features and products and many offers which they are offering to people. That's why it is considered in the cheapest web hosting list. If I make the list of cheapest web hosting, I will go through with GoDaddy, and I will take it on the first spot of my list because I am pretty much comfortable with the way GoDaddy is providing its services. GoDaddy is providing features and each and everything. Their plans are also very cheap. So cheapest web hosting is very unique title and keyword nowadays. If we go with GoDaddy, what they are offering us, let's go and find. So here you will find GoDaddy complete and reliable hosting solutions for any website, 98 reviews, free domain with annual plan, fast loading times, support 24/7, phone toll free from $1.99 per month. So it's quite handsome and quite simple solution for you to find cheapest web hostings in US or Australia or whatever you find here and there. But if you talk about cheapest web hosting, then you should take the name of GoDaddy. So if we make a list, so GoDaddy is must be added in that list. And again, I will say that cheapest web hosting is very easier to find nowadays, because YouTube is growing day by day and becoming popular in many of the countries and many of the nations. And young people are on YouTube by creating videos and watching videos. So it's a pure community, you can say. So it's very easy to find any topic or any confusion which you are facing. You can find it on YouTube, and you can solve your problem by searching it on YouTube. If we talk about cheapest web hosting, then here you find my video about cheapest web hosting. After that, you can go with many other options, like many other people are going to create videos on cheapest web hosting. So uh, uh, let's jump into our next website, which is web.com. Web.com is another website which is offering cheapest hosting. So they are offering web.com launch a business website with all of the essentials: 70 reviews, free domain name, hundreds of templates available, support 24/7 by phone. Try it now is an option. Here the price is not mentioned, but if we talk about their features and so on so on. But uh, I will not suggest you to go and search for the features. You must have to find some products and some knowledge which is offering you to find on the YouTube, because YouTube is much more easier to find things. Again, I will say that you should take steps on finding and doing research. So go to Google and search about. But here we will go on to our next website, which is Host Papa is another website which is offering free sorry cheap web hosting. If you talk about cheap web hosting, so if we can. So if we talk about cheapest web hosting, then we can go with Host Papa, Host Guitar, and many others. Host Papa is fast and reliable hosting with easy website migration, 43 reviews, unlimited domains and websites, good for small business, support 24/7, phone, email, etc. etc. Host Guitar, easy and affordable web hosting with initiative site building tools, 90 reviews, up to 60% off web hosting, 24/7 premium support, 45-day money back guarantee from $2.75 per month. So A2 hosting, high powered web hosting with plans for every budget, 55 reviews, easy site transfer, anytime money back guarantees, support 24/7, phone, chat, email from $2.99 per month. You can try it by clicking on that. Here is our famous ever website whose name is Wix. Wix.com is famous and very, very, very popular website nowadays, and over the past few years, we can we should go with Wix because it is offering many, many, many more options than any other website which is providing cheapest web hosting. So, as in this video, we are talking about cheapest web hosting, but Wix is bit costly, but it is competing with many other websites which are far away from its features, its support. Its live chat support is amazing, it's quite handsome, and you can say it's quite handsome because Wix.com is very, very, very unique website and company. They are providing us many cheapest services in the market. If we talk about cheapest web hosting, then Wix is top of the list after Godaddy, because I will go with Godaddy. If you are finding for cheapest web hosting, then you can go with Godaddy. But if you are finding good and best services, then you can go with uh, Wix. Wix is very, very popular website and famous website over the past few years, and over the nations and countries and people who are working on blogs and many other options. So after that, again GoDaddy, and here is top10.com slash essential guide to shared web hosting, website hosting, 5 common mistakes to avoid. I think we should read this website. Okay, web hosting. While it's much easier to stick with your existing web hosting service, you are doing yourself a disservice if you don't carefully research your hosting provider and re-evaluate it from time to time. If you're finding cheapest web hosting, then cheapest web hosting is nowadays very, very popular topic, because people are finding about web hostings for their blogs. If you are working on your blog, then I will suggest you to go with GoDaddy. Wix is offering many offers like cheapest web hosting, cheapest domains, cheapest themes, and many other options. You can create a website by using Wix.com, and many other options like that. Web hosting is nowadays very, very unique topic. Web hosting is basically needed for the blog, because if you want to work on the blog, you have to um, post many blogs, and if you want to post many blogs, then you should take an web hosting for your blog, so that your blogs are have been uploaded on that web hosting. Here I'm going to write cheapest web hosting, and USA in Australia. Cheapest web hosting companies are very, very popular nowadays. GoDaddy, HostGator is another website which is providing cheapest web hosting. But you can also go with many other websites like this is a key mistake, a classic case of assuming unlimited bandwidth is unlimited. This is a key mistake, a classic case of always read the small print, be it your unlimited, be it your unlimited call phone tariff or features of website hosting. As a rule of thumb, a company offering something unlimited is likely not showing you the whole picture. Usually, clauses in the terms and conditions specify that unlimited actually means within reasonable use. cheapest web hosting is cheapest web hosting can be found on Google. Bluehost is another website which is offering cheapest web hosting for your website or for your blog. If you are finding cheapest web hosting, then you can go with Bluehost, HostGator, Godaddy, Wix.com. These websites are much popular than any other website. So you must go with these websites because these websites are very unique and very popular nowadays in many other companies like USA, UK, Australia, and many other companies. So I will highly recommend you to go with Wix.com. Wix.com is another website which is offering cheapest web hostings in USA, in Australia, and in many other countries. Um, you need an web hosting for your website, but people have have very less. You can say uh, people have very less amount of investment, so they don't need to buy. So they don't want to buy an costly or web hosting in high price. They always go for the cheapest web hosting and the things like that, stuff like that. So if you are also an kind of person who is finding the you can say you can he is who is finding cheapest web hosting can follow the steps which I am telling you in this video. So if we go back to our web hosting page, here are many websites which are offering you cheapest web hostings. So cheap web hostings can also be found by searching them on Google. Cheap hosting from $0.50 per month. If you are finding cheap web hosting for your blog, then you can go with many other options like Godaddy, Wix.com. Wix.com is very unique website and offering WordPress, Joomla, Drupal, Typo 3. Choose your affordable hosting plan, free domain, wildcard, SSL certificate, 24/7 support, business for larger web projects, best selling plans. 12 months, $0.50 per month, then $10 per month. After that, they have a button of continue, unlimited websites, unlimited storage, unlimited databases, MariaDB or MySQL, professional email included, domain included for 1 year, enhanced CPU and MEM resources. So I'll highly recommend you to go with Wix.com and GoDaddy if you are finding cheap web hosting for your blog. Look like the expert that you are. Professional web hosting for your business. Here we can also add cheapest web hosting for your plan. Are you looking to test the water with a basic, inexpensive web hosting package? Or we can also add cheap web hosting package. If you are finding cheapest web hosting package, then you can go with uh, many options which I have included in this video. Here are many options which can help you to find cheapest or cheap web hosting. Web hosting is very needed for an blog to run on a social media platform like WordPress and many other blogs which you are working on. Your domain name is the foundation of your website. It's essential for brand awareness, marketing, website traffic, and professional credibility. Here I am creating a unique and potential making video because this is nowadays very you can say uh, hot topic because people are searching for cheap web hosting. Cheap web hosting is not so difficult to find, but is very you can say a difficult thing to get the features and the services which any premium website or company is offering. So that's why I am creating this video to help you to get cheap web hosting for your blog and for your website so that you can work on your blog and your website without any issue or without any further delay for your you can say our website and blog. Cheap web hosting is the best cheap web hosting providers. You don't need a big budget to find an effective yet affordable web hosting solution that meets your needs. View the comparison below to get an overview of all the different features offered by iOS and other web hosting providers. Expensive space with basic low cost hosting, domain 24/7 support, SSL, Linux hosting, Windows hosting, unbeatable features with iOS security or budget web hosting comes with a free dedicated SSL secure socket layer certificate, padlock and HTTPS protocol for secure connections and a trustworthy image. Ensures that all data transmitted between a website and a visitor's browser is secure. Scripting languages host a variety of web projects with our cost effective PHP hosting suitable for forums, blogs, online stores, or a professional website for your business. Enjoy the latest security standards for your PHP based projects. Databases we support MySQL for the secure, reliable, and effective management of databases. Benefit from complete flexibility and customization to suit all your database needs. Suitable for both uh, smaller projects and larger enterprise level organizations alike. Still haven't found what you are looking for? Check out these other great solutions: email hosting, www, free domain name, free online store, Linux hosting, cheap web hosting, Drupal hosting, cheap domain names, cheap hosting. What support does iOS offer? No, we are not funding that kind of stuff. So, Bluehost is another website which is offering cheap hosting for your blog or website. If you are searching for the cheap web hosting, then I'll highly recommend you to go with any website which is providing much more features with less price. Yeah, I know this is bit difficult for you to find, but it can be easier for you to find this if you follow the steps which I am telling you in this video. 10 best cheap web hosting, $0.99 to Hostinger. Hostinger is a website which is offering you cheap web hosting, unlimited everything from storage to databases, free site builder and WP performance, upgrades, free daily or weekly backups, custom control panel, and auto installation scripts, SSH access and SSL certificates. Get started on Hostinger now. Visit site. Starting price per month is $1.39. Money back guarantee is 30 days. Disk space 30 GB to 200 GB SSD. Domain name free domain name for 1 year. Our experts Hostinger review. As the shared hosting market becomes increasingly saturated, unlimited storage, bandwidth, and email accounts have become surprisingly average. Hostinger, however, extends the routine expected metrics to greater lengths. The number of websites, databases, FTP users, subdomains, and parked domains are all unrestricted for most customers. Go to full review. Our second website for cheap web hosting is Bluehost. Bluehost is a website which is offering you cheap web hosting for your blog, known for high performance at a low price, endorsed by WordPress.org team, free free Weebly site builder and Cloudflare CDN, free domain and unlimited storage. Get 63% Get 63% off today was $79.9 per month. Visit site is in button for that. Starting price per month is $2.95. Money back guarantees of 30 days. Disk space 50 GB unlimited. Domain name free 1 year. Our experts Bluehost review. If you are looking for an affordable host, Bluehost is a solid, reputable choice. The company's low costs, coupled with its supremacy is the shared hosting arena, is that is what makes this provider such a valuable deal. The Bluehost name is listed toward the top of many of our reviewers categories and with good reason. HostGator, it is also a website. Gets 70% off for buying 36 months upfront, unmetered disk space and bandwidth, unlimited email addresses and free SSL certificate, one-click WordPress install and free blog tools, free 1 year domain registration on select plans. Get started on HostGator now. Visit site. Starting price per month is $2.64. Money back guarantee 45 days. Disk space is unlimited. Domain name is free for 1 year. Experts review. Here is another website which is providing cheap hosting for your blog is iPage. iPage.com. Easy setup and superb reliably since 1998. Free domain and Google marketing included, unlimited bandwidth, storage, and emails. Free site builder and shopping cart. Get more than 75% off today. Was $7.99 per month. Get started on iPage now. Visit site. After that, there's an option for starting price per month is $1.99. Money back guarantee is 30 days. Disk space is unlimited. Domain name is free for 1 year. Our experts iPage review. Whether you are a first-time website owner or a web veteran, iPage's excellent hosting services and a fantastic list of extras make the brand one of the best values in web hosting. Unlimited disk space, scalable bandwidth, and emails are just a part of what makes iPage's shared hosting plan a great deal. After that, there's a website which is much favorite of mine is Godaddy. It is very cheap website for web hosting. It is a website which is providing cheap web hosting. Get a free domain from world's number one registrar, industry leading page load times for your site, unlimited bandwidth and up to unlimited storage. Choose between cPanel or Plus control panels. Award winning support on hand 24/7. Visit site button. After that, starting price is $2.99 per month. Money back guarantee is also for 30 days. Disk space is 100 GB and up to unlimited. Domain name free for 1 year. No need to read any review about this website. I head to another website which is offering also cheap web hosting, A2 hosting, or speed your success. Or speed your success. Free Cloudflare CDN and SSD speed boost. Optimized caching and one-click installs. Unlimited email, domains, databases, advanced security and free hack scan. 24/7 support via phone, chat, and tickets. Visit site button is also on. Starting prices per month $2.99. Money back guarantees for 30 days. Disk space unlimited SSD. Domain name new or transfer. So now jump into the personal opinion of mine. If you are finding for cheap web hosting for your blog or website, then go with GoDaddy or Wix.com. These two websites are very quite handsome and famous and popular websites around the world. So many of the creators, many of the blog owners are using these websites. So I will highly recommend you if you are finding for cheapest web hosting for your fastest and cheapest hosting, cheap web hosting for small business, cheap unlimited web hosting, then you can go with these websites. So um, that's all from my side. If you like the video, then do like the video and don't forget to subscribe my channel and never forget to press the bell icon so that you never miss any further updates from my channel. So uh, in this video, I have told you about how you can find cheap web hostings for your website. So here we are going to find specifically about US. So here we have found another website which is top10.com/cheap hosting comparison. So I'm going to open this website in the new tab of my Chrome browser. You can use any browser in your PC, but you just have to go to this website which I am opening right now. Here is first website which is giving you 40% discount on web hosting, whose name is HostGator. So here this website's name is HostGator, up to 66% off web hosting, 90 reviews and exceptional 9.7 rating. Free domain registration, 24/7 premium support, 45-day money back guarantee. So you can check this out because this website is giving you 45 days money back guarantee. So the website which is giving you 45 days guarantee is assuring you that they will give you 100% secure and safe service with 24/7 premium support. So I'm going to open this website in new tab. For that, you just have to click on this right click and open image a new tab, and you can go to this tab, and here you can check this website's name, whose name is HostGator. So coming back to the point, I'm going to show you popular WordPress themes are here, and you can check to this Bluehost, which is Bluehost 112 reviews, and here free domain and site builder get $150 plus in advertising offers, 30 days money back guarantee, and many more. So here is excellence is 9.3, rating is 9.3, and reviews are 112, and here is also an option of try it now. So this website is also offering you 30-day money back guarantee. So I will recommend you to use this website whose name is Bluehost. But if we jump into our next website whose name is GoDaddy, I will highly recommend you. Okay, I will highly recommend you to use this website whose name is GoDaddy. Its reviews are 98 and free domain with annual plan and fast loading time, support 24/7, phone toll free. So here this website's rating is 9.3, and here is an option with try it now. So its price is starting from $1.99. Upper website whose name was Bluehost. Its price starting from $2.95 per month. And here is another website whose name is HostGator. Its hosting starts from $2.75. So we directly jump into our next website whose name is Ions by One and One, and its reviews are 49. Free domain and SSL certification, 99.9% uptime, scalable performance management. So here is another option whose link is right now, and here is excellent 9.0 from $1 per month. So here another website whose name is Hostinger. So Hostinger is another website with famous domain and hostings, and their reviews are pretty low, but you can go with this website because their price is very low, which is $1.39 per month. And here you can see 30-day money back guarantee is also available, high speed performance is available, and free templates and builders are also available. So here we have another website whose name is Dreamhost. Here, Dreamhost, 36 reviews, free domain name, 100% uptime guarantee, 24/7 support. And here another reviews are 36 and rating is 8.7. Very good rating, you can say. But if we jump into the GoDaddy, its rating you can see excellent. Its rating is excellent, but Hostinger and Dreamhost rating is quite good. But if we jump into our next website, whose name is Network Solutions, this is seventh website in our list. So here we have a website whose name is Network Solutions. Network Solutions have 84 plus reviews in their box, and domain name included, professional templates, support 24/7, phone and email right now, and its rating is 8.4, which is quite good. And here you can see from its price is starting from you can say $2.64 per month. So if we jump into our next website whose name is Host Papa, and this website's reviews are 43, unlimited domains and websites, good for small business, support 24/7, phone email. And here is its reviews, which is 8.5, and its rating is very good. So if you click on this right now, then you have to pay them 2.95 dollars per month. So if we jump into our next website whose name is A2 Hosting, which is A2 Hosting, 55 reviews, easy site transfer, anytime money back guarantee, support 24/7, phone, chat, email. Its price starting from $2.99 per month, rating is 8.5, which is also very good, and its reviews are 55 plus. So if we jump into our next website, which is Wix. Wix is officially promoted by Google, and they have many other platforms to run their ads and run their advertisements on Google, Dailymotion, and many more you can see on the list which is given below or in the next video. Here, trusted by 200 million plus customers, Wix everything you need to easily create a website in minutes. 113 reviews, initiative platform, mobile optimized, 500 plus customized website templates. Its reviews are exceptional, 9.9 rating, and here is an option with visit site. Here's price is not mentioned, but GoDaddy is again mentioned here. But here its reviews are quite handsome. 107 reviews. Connect your custom domain, marketing tools included, award-winning 24/7 support, and their rating is 9.4, which is excellent. But if we go with Wix, then we can have the reviews or rating which is exceptional. So here is an option which is visit site. So you can go with these websites. After some time, I'll give you another list of the websites which are providing cheapest hosting in US. So if you are finding the cheapest web hosting in US, then you can go with the websites which I am going to show you in this video. Again, in this video I will come with many more websites and many more companies who are offering free, or sorry, who are offering cheap web hosting. So wait for the second part of this video, which is combined with this video. So now we jump into our next websites which have top 10 cheap web hosting plans, best hosting service of 2022. So here we have another website which is offering cheap web hosting. So we just have to click on this new tab which we have opened right now. So here the website name is Host Advice, and here updated on 22 to 2022. So this website is updated today. So here is first website's name, which is Host Armada, whose name is SSD Cloud Hosting with 99.9% uptime. Its rating is 4.9, which is not good, and its reviews are 286. But I am shocked to view its reviews that GoDaddy, which is premium website, have only 100 plus reviews, but this website, which is underrated, has 2.286 reviews. But this is very a shock news for me. But here we have another website which has a tag of best choice. This website name is Fast Comet, and it's managed cloud hosting, manage unlimited domains, new names with cpanel. Its reviews are 5 point as its reviews are 1186. Its rating is 5.0. Here is another website whose name is Apex Unlimited SSD Domains and Add to Compact also. So space is 15 GB, 640 GB. It's bandwidth unlimited also available. 5.0 rating and 1147 reviews. So here we have another website whose name is rocket.net. It is compared with the websites which I have mentioned above. Excellent support service, 99% uptime provided by users reviews, 60 days money back guarantee. And here we have you can say space 10 GB to 50 GB, 150 GB, bandwidth is unlimited, and sport up to 49.97 GBs, 4.7 its rating, and 4 reviews only. So here is another website whose name is domain.com. It is compared with top-notch live sport, unlimited storage, free SSL certificate by Let's Encrypt, free domain for the first year, and space unlimited, bandwidth unlimited, 4.5 rating, 49 reviews. Here is its reviews are 49, which are quite handsome, but in my point of view these are a bit low. But here is another website whose name is Stans is also compared with domain.com. Here we are going to check whether it is quite handsome for us or not. Up to 80 GB disk space, 16 TB bandwidth, offer one of the cheapest prices of the market, 24/7 customer support service, 30-day money back guarantee. And here it is offering space 10 GB unlimited, bandwidth is also unlimited, 4.4 rating, to 2 to 5 reviews. So here we have another website whose name is Interserver.net. It is compared with other websites which are mentioned above. Over 400 apps are available for one-click installs, high performance SSD storage, and 99.9% uptime guarantee, pre-installed with latest version of PHP and MySQL, and 24/7 available Epic Sport. Here space is unlimited, bandwidth unlimited, 4.3 rating, 400 plus reviews, 346 plus likes. Here is another website whose name is A2 Hosting. A2 Hosting is another website which is quite handsome and quite good for me. which is up to 20x faster hosting, Guru Crew Sport, free account migration, money back guarantee, 99.9% uptime commitment. Cometra.com is another website with purpose-built high-end VPS data centers across 4 continents. And here, fastest cloud VPS with guaranteed dedicated resources, premium human support 24/7, scalability, and ease of use. Here its space is 20 GB to 4 terabyte, bandwidth unlimited, 4.1 rating, 130 reviews, 130 plus likes. Here is another website whose name is Cloudways, unlimited applications, go live in minutes, managed security, 24/7, 365 days support, managed security, space 25 GB to 3.75 terabyte, bandwidth 1 terabyte to 12 terabyte, 4.0 rating, 513 reviews, 479 plus likes. Here is another website whose name is Hostwinds, Resellers, Budget, VPS, and Dedicated. In this video, I am telling you about top 10 cheapest web hostings in US, which are given to you by Noman Sonu, the owner of this channel. Reseller, Budget, VPS, and Dedicated servers, 99.99% uptime and SSDs in all plans. Free website transfers to multiple locations, 24/7, 365 expert assistance, and space unlimited, bandwidth also unlimited. Its reviews are 1152, 3.9 its rating is. So we directly jump into some text which is here above mentioned. Above you can see the top hosting service providers of August who have succeeded in satisfying their customers with their features. It is not easy to find the best web host for you nowadays. The right host can give you business or site a dream like head start with the perfect speed, 100% uptime, rich pack of essentials resources, and robust security measures. Let's see how you can see those factors and most of figures out of the best hosting service provider for your website. What features to look for in a web hosting service? Every hosting service provider does have some highlighting among the features they can serve. However, to ensure the best one among them for your website, try to find the following factors among the offered features while going through their hosting plans. Number one, scale of resources. Many still try to think that an unlimited amount of essential resources may cost a fortune. In actuality, uh, there are many web hosts who are capable of providing such amount at very affordable price points. Even the hosting packages built on shared services can provide you with unlimited bandwidth, website, storage, or email accounts. So keep in mind to pick a provider who can deliver an apt amount of resources without compromising the client budget. Number two, loading speed. As Google said a few years ago, even a 2-second delay can cause your website to lose potential customers. Everyone nowadays has a very short attention span, especially on the internet where everything happens at the speed of lightning. The online surfers expect every page to load in a few microseconds, so you have to just search for the websites which are giving you cheap hosting in US. Hence, we are also creating the video on the topic top 10 cheapest web hostings in US. Hence, the web host of your choice needs to provide instantaneous page load. Many providers mention the exact average loading time on their website. Looking for information like that on the official site and other reliable resources. 3. Uptime percentage. Even if your website pages takes the least time to load, it is of no value when the interested customers can't even access the site. In this day and age, the uptime of a website has to be at least 99.94% on average. So, any web host who provides any lower uptime percentage than that is not worth considering. Some hosts even promise to compensate if the website ever goes down for longer than they promised. Pick a provider who is confident enough in their capability and whose uptime history for other clients align and their claims. Number 4, domain registration. Most leading web hosts take care of the domain registration process of you. All you have to do is pick the domain name of your choice and check its availability. The provider can include this in their hosting plans, which they are providing to you in their hosting plans, which means you don't have to pay any extra amount. They can offer you the registration at a discounted price, or they can straight up charge up to you a few dollars. The first option works the best, of course, for site owners or on a tight budget, but you may choose the others for transparency as well. So, if we jump into another point, which is email accounts, a good web host lets you have unlimited or a fixed number of email accounts based on their chosen domain name. Besides, certain security measures also come with the package, which ensures no spam can enter your inbox. Some of the providers include perks of responders, which prepare a default reply to particular emails. Number 6 is the point which is very important for you, that website transfer. If this is not your first rodeo, you will need a web host who doesn't charge extra to transfer your site from the previous provider to the new one. You can find this advantage in the hosting plans of host providers. Moving a site from one host to another is a complex task by itself. Taking on the disadvantages of paying extra for the transfer may just add to the inconvenience. The next point is backups frequency. Depending on the set price point, the hosting plans provide data backups on weekly or daily basis. For the more affordable ones, they may impose a fixed number of backups for a day or a certain number of days to deliver, and backups, it can only be automatic or manual. Daily automated backups are the most convenient choice. Number 8 is the most important points of all the above mentioned points is customer support, which is very very important to attract more customers to your company or your web hosting site. Proactive and knowledgeable customer support is crucial to any hosting service. No matter what kind of website you are running, it will definitely become a victim of some crash or issue at some point. If the support team does not respond to all your call or customers for help on time, it will cause huge losses for your business. Also, if team does respond in, instantaneously but fails to provide the required solution, it is still as bad as. So look for 24/7 customer support, and if the support team receives any form of training board beforehand. Security measures. The next point is security measures. The most basic standard security measure for a hosted website is having a free SSL certificate along with this mandatory feature. Your chosen web host must also offer scanning of network and servers. It should also remove the detected malware and protect the site from cyber attacks. An e-commerce site must be PCI compliant to guarantee secure financial transactions. Developer friendly. If your website requires a developer friendly environment, find a hosting service that is compatible with the popular programming languages and platform. The common hosting service features of this category include support for multiple versions of PHP up to the latest 7.2, Node.js, Perl, Python, Epic, and MySQL. All these can be valuable additions to your website hosting package, and the developers on your team will be very grateful to have these at their disposal. So, if we jump into another point, which is developer friendly, we have covered this point. Another point is 11th, which is CMS support. For e-commerce websites, support for a CMS or content management system is crucial. Although WordPress is leading the CMS competition, you can go for more specialized platforms like Mangato, Joomla, Drupal, PrestaShop. These platforms streamline many time-consuming functions and enable you to organize the site more efficiently. The next point is site builders. Free website builders will make the whole process of establishing your website a lot easier. While there are standalone website builders like Weebly, many hosting services also provide such builders as part of their hosting packages. The final test, along with the comprehensive list of best hosting providers we have ranked above, you can revoke help of the following methods to be sure of your choices. Number one is customer reviews. Read customer reviews of each service provider by visiting their respective page. Get insight from the real experiences of each customer and compare them with the respective host's claim. This will help you evaluate both reliability and compatibility and capability of that hosting service provider. The next is test the support. Almost all web hosts include a 24/7 customer support in their hosting plans. One way to make sure of this to get in touch with support staff yourself when you are roaming around the host's official site, be it live chat, phone call, or an email initiative, a conversation with the support team, and find out how much knowledgeable they have or they can. The length of the response time or resolution time and accuracy of the provided information will let you know if this is the right web host for your site or not. Taking a risk is fun sometimes, but not when it comes to hosting your website. You must ensure that you have no left any stone unturned to land upon the best web host so that your business can reach its full potential in a short amount of time. So if we jump into the next point, which is test the sport, and here we have host advice, about us, contact us, and many others. So if we jump into the next list, which we have right now after host Ardama, and here we have the next website hosting websites, cheap hosting from $0.50. We are creating the video on the topic, which is top 10 cheapest hostings in US for your website. So if you are willing to find the website with cheapest plan for your web hosting, so you can watch our video till end. So get cheap and web hosting that's packed with value. More flexibility thanks to extensive storage, free domain for the first year, award-winning sport, C hosting plans. So we jump into the link which is provided here, C hosting plans. Here essential for one website or project, 12 months, $4 a month, then $6 a month, continue. Business for larger web projects, best selling plans, 12 months, $0.50 per month, then $10 per month. Continue expert for multiple large web projects, 12 months, $8 per month, then $16 per month, and here is an option with continue. So if we jump into the name, which is business for large with projects, I will not recommend this web hosting to you because essential is much more of value and much more of features. You can go with this and also go with experts if you have more budget or extra budget for your website or for hosting. So here reliable and secure servers, flexible hosting. Here we are finding the cheapest web hosting for your website in US. So here is an uh, website. How easily can you adapt your IT capacity as your business needs change? Okay, now we have to scroll down to the website whether they are providing the web hosting in cheap price or not. Why choose Sasktel cloud hosting? Highly skilled, knowledgeable technical resources, understand your environment, available to work directly with you and proactively monitor your environment. Local, highly secure data centers located in geographically stable locations in Saskatchewan and guarantees your data never leaves Canada. Here is another website which is providing you. Here is another company which is providing you cheap web hosting, is self-serve web portals. Computing changes performed in our web portal take effect in minutes. Highly available environment up to 99.96% availability. Targets for your environment backed by service level agreements and guaranteed uptime. Expertly monitored 24/7, 365 to protect and proactively repair. Flexibility, scale your environment up or down according to your business needs. Pay for only the resources you use. Fixed monthly rates make expenses more predictable and budgeting easier. Significant cost savings. Leave the time, effort, investments, and expertise to build and maintain your data center to Sasktel. So this was the video in which I have told you to uh, have the cheapest hosting in US. What are the list of the websites which are providing you cheapest hosting in US or near US. So if you got any information from this video, then do like the video and don't forget to subscribe my channel, and never forget to press the bell icon so that you never miss any further updates from my channel. So this was Numan Sonu providing you the information for the cheapest web hosting in US. Goodbye.